I just got the bug straight away, and it's been my sport ever since.
I always think it's the world's best kept secret.
It's completely unique, different to basketball, different to netball.
Can't imagine going to play anything else now.
The club has been going just over 15 years now. It was formed in 2003 by students leaving Cardiff University, and they just wanted somewhere to keep playing.
In the time I've been here, there's probably been about 100 players of all ages have come through and have stayed with the club. Some are still here today and some have moved on to other clubs.
We're a really friendly, sociable club. We're very inclusive, girls and boys, whatever age. We try and get everyone involved.
The aim of the game is just to score the most goals. So Korfball just means basketball in Dutch. The Korf is the basket.
I tend to describe it as like a cross between netball and basketball. Like netball, you're not allowed to run with the ball, and you're not allowed to shoot if you're being defended, so that's quite different to netball as well. And there are no set positions, which is part of what I really like about it. Like, you're both an attacker and a defender, and you change that role every 2 goals.
It's more about cooperation and ability and skill than pure strength or height.
When I started in 2007, it was my first year of playing, and I went along to the Europa Cup as a newbie in a way, and it was fantastic to see the quality of Korfball, and I just learnt so much. It was brilliant for our club to have that chance.
We've won the Welsh League 5 times, and hopefully going to make that 6th time this year. We've also won English leagues as well, a little bit like how Swansea and Cardiff compete in the English football leagues.
The opportunity to play both male and female on the same team is a real attraction of the sport. There aren't many sports that offer that.
You can have partners playing together, you can have parents and their kids, brothers and sisters. You've got this whole family element to it.
It's very much a sport you can just come in, get stuck in and have a go.
It's very much a family atmosphere. I mean, we've literally got family members who play together.
We have fun along the way. We do have lots of socials where we get together and actually know each other. We're friendly and all-inclusive, and we just want everyone to love the sport as much as we do.
There's all these alternative sports out there, and when you find it, you know, and this is definitely the sport for me and for all these people here behind me.